Hello viewers, welcome to our .it school. I am Shahjan. Today I will show you how to create a beautiful and nice photography handwriting logo design using Photoshop. So this is a beautiful and nice handwriting photography logo design. So in this video tutorial I will show you how to create this. Now if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, and already subscribed, thank you so much. Now let's get started. First open a image from your PC. Now I will choose this image from my PC. So I will go to rectangular marquee tool and select a rectangular marquee tool from here. Okay, go to layer, and if you do not see layer, okay, then you will go to window and click layer from here. Okay, good. Then you will go to your layer and click your mouse right button and go to blending option. Okay, then you will see blending option in here. Okay, then you will click a gradient overlay. Okay, then you will select a gradient color, this color, and I will choose river option. Okay, then you will choose a blending mode, and I will choose a hard light color. Okay, then change your scale size. Okay, then perfect. Then okay, create a new layer and go to type tool and write a name as you desire. Then you will select a color and go to character palette, and then you will select a color from here. Okay, done. And you will select this and go to a layer, and you will reduce this opacity as you desire. Okay, then I will choose a 60% opacity. Okay, done. Write the font and go to the font website. Then you will see here script handwritten. So click handwritten. Now you will see here determine font. Now you will click here and type any name as you desire. So I'll choose this and submit. So it will look like this. So I will click download. So after completed your download, then you will go to your downloaded location, and then you will see a downloaded file. Then you will click extract from here. Okay, then you will go to your extracted file and double click and install. So I have already installed, that's why I do not need to install. So after installing, then you will open your software, Photoshop software. Now you will select this and go to your character palette and select determine font. So select determine font, and then we'll remove your space. Okay, then I will choose 100%. Okay, Okay, done. Then you will need to rasterize your image, your signature image. Then you'll go to your layer and select your handwriting logo, handwriting. So click here and rasterize this, and select your rectangular marquee tool, and then we'll select this area and press delete. Okay, then already have done all. Now select a rectangular, now select a rounded rectangular marquee tool and select this area and click down this. Okay, then I will select this color white. Okay, and then I will select this. So press Ctrl and click in your mouse. Okay, then you will select any color from here. Okay, and press Alter plus backspace, Alter backspace. Okay, then so already have done all step of my signature logo design. Now thank you for watching this video. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, get more step by step new video tutorial.